Good morning again, Family Carpet and Draperies. I wanted to do a quick add-on on cut yardage for draperies calculations. Draperies are a bit harder, and there's so many different factors that go into calculating the draperies. Like, are you just wanting fabric? Are you wanting pinch pleat draperies? Are you wanting grommeted draperies? What kind of pattern do you want? How big is that pattern? Um, is this going to be a split window? Is it going to be one-sided on the window? So I'm just going to take you through one simple calculation just to figure out your general drapery. This is how it's going to go. So you right here, you have 120, oh, we got there inches of a sliding door perhaps by 84 inches, which is your typical sliding door. What we're going to do is we're going to take 120 inches and we're going to add, for a drapery, we're going to add some returns and some hems. So we're just going to say this is going to split in the middle, okay? This is going to go this way and this way. So we're going to add 3 inches over here. We're going to add 3 inches over here. And we're going to add 3 inches on this hem and 3 inches on that hem in the middle. All right? So we're going to add an addition of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 12 inches. What's that going to equal? 132 inches, okay? So now instead of 120, you're going to deal with 132 in the overall width. Now there's a standard in pinch pleat draperies. Most panels will pleat down to 20 inches. So we're going to divide that by a standard of 20 inches. That'll give you a good full, about 2.5 times fullness. 2.5 times full. That's the fullness is how the draperies hang. You don't want them too flat. You want them curvy and beautiful, looking good. So we're going to take our calculator and we're going to do 132 and divide that by 20. That's going to give you 6.6. What's that number? 6.6 is the width. Each width. So you're going to take a drapery right here. You're going to cut that down into segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to have a little partial one over here, right? We're going to round that up to 7 widths. So I'm going to do this little circle right here. That's going to be 7 widths because that's what we're going to need to purchase. All right? We need 7 pieces of that fabric by 84 inches to be able to get where we need. All right? So now we're going to go back to the width rate, or the length. This is 84 inches. Length equals 84 inches. Now we're going to put a liner on that, and we need to put a hem up here. And we're going to need to put a hem up here. So a typical standard for a line drapery is about 15 inches in addition. So we're going to add 15 inches to this 84 inches. 84 inches plus 15 equals 99 inches. So the overall length is going to be 99 inches is what we're going to need of fabric. Now we're still looking at 120 by 84 inch finished product. That's what the client wants. But we've got to order this much fabric to be able to create the drapery properly. So we're going to take that number, which equals 99. We're going to take 99 and times that by the amount of widths. How many widths do we have? We have 7 widths. So 99 inches times 7, that's the inches, that's 7 widths, equals a number. 99 times 7 equals 693. Do we need 693 yards? No, we don't need 693 yards. But what we're going to do is take that number and divide it by 36, which will give you the amount of square yards it'll take. I know it's different than carpet because this is fabric and we're dealing in inches here. So we're going to divide that by 36. That gives you 19 and a quarter. We'll round it up, 19 and a half yards of fabric. Now that's a simple calculation for the most part. If you walk through this, you have 120 by 84. You add the returns and the hems on both sides on the width. So 120 plus 12 in this case, if it's a split. Then you divide that by 20 to get the amount of widths, which is 6.6. We're going to round that up to 7 widths because that's what we're going to need to buy. Then we take the length down here and take 84 plus 15 inches if it's a lined drapery, because we still need the upper top portion and the bottom portion. So you times 99 times 7. That gives you 693. We're going to divide that by 36. You're going to get 19 and a half yards. Simple calculation. Little technical. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.